Good morning, everybody. So I just went on coupons.com and found out they added more coupons. So if you guys want to go back on the site and print off these, you can. They got a 4 off of 2 Tidy Cats. They also added the $1 off of 1 Sweet Tarts and Sprees. I never get these, or I always print these coupons, but I never get them. But since Halloween's coming up, there's going to be probably some, good deals. We also got $1.75 off of Tidy Cats, and then we also have $2 off of 2 Sweet Tarts Laffy Taffy. I forgot to print the Cetaphil yesterday, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I don't know if the renew was on here, so there's a $5 off and a $2 off, and I can't remember if that was on there. But here they got, beef jerky multi-packs, and then they added this $1 off of Breeze pellets. I don't know what exactly that is, so if you guys are interested in something like that, I'm just adding some coupons that I didn't add yesterday. But otherwise, I don't know if there's any other coupons. There's a really good day to coupon at certain places, so you guys, I wanted to show with you guys with that. But otherwise, yeah, that's it for new coupons. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.